Hi, my name is Jackson Kibler, and welcome back to another Data in the Wild episode hosted by Data Meeting. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel below and click the bell to turn on notifications to be the first to know every time we upload a new video. Today we will cover stories in Tableau. So using the sample Superstore workbook, we can see a number of dashboards and we can navigate across them. But what if we want all of the navigation to be done in one view without the user toggling between different browser clicks? So on the bottom we have sheets, dashboards, which we are familiar with, but then now we have stories. So a story is made up of multiple dashboards, and this is the base. We can say throw the overview dashboard as the first one. Let's name this overview. Now the product dashboard, if we navigate before or after, let's put it after. Call this product. And then finally, let's just use 3 and stick with the customer dashboard. And let's call this Superstore Story. And this will allow us to, with one sheet, to tell more of a story with the display of the dashboards, and the users can then navigate between them seamlessly by clicking the various tags on the top with labeled each dashboard name. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to know when future videos are posted. Thanks for watching.